Hey everybody, haven't done a video for a long time. I'll probably be starting to do some now. This is a mini case break of the new 1819 SP Game Used Hockey. There is 10 in a mini case, as you can see the box there. So there's 5 on each side in the boxes. I also got 10 packs of Overtime Wave 2 with it. I'll just start with Overtime here. These are Blues, Bernier, Werenski, Bjork, and Kuznetsov. There's next in lines, Howden, Dube. I'm probably going to say some of these players' names wrong. Jokiharu, the rookies anyway. Kairu, Rasmussen, Donato, Bouchard, Svechnikov, Kachuk. Now these are overtime rookies. Vesalainen, Rasmussen, Steele, Bouchard. This is a rookie blue of Howden. This is rookie red, numbered at a 99, Kairu. This is a next in line red, numbered at a 25, Vesalainen. And the last one I'll show is an overtime rookie of Dahlin. Now the SP Game Used. Start with some base orange. This one's numbered at a 189, Jamie Benn. This one's numbered at a 191, Getzlaff. Barzell, that's numbered at of 185. These are rainbow rookies, different numbering on them. Oh, this is going to be a fun one to say. Labushkin is what I'll guess. From Arizona. McDonald. Sotner. Lomberg. Fu. Sulak. Dries. Sumela. Cahoon. Osiganov. And that one's numbered, his jersey number at a 292, because he's number 92. Donato. Middlestat. Ricola. Delia. These are orange rookies. This one's Steel. They have a lower numbering than the other regular rainbows. And Lindholm, that one's numbered 1 out of 100. Now some All-Star Skills Fabrics jersey cards. James Neal. Mike Smith. Braden Shen. Blake Wheeler. Now some SP Game Use base jerseys. Bobby Ryan. Radulov. You can see little dots on the jerseys too, which is pretty cool. Krejci. Granlund. This is a rookie gold jersey, numbered at $4.99. Sam Steele. Another All-Star Skills Fabrics jersey, Claude Giroux. Rookie sweaters, numbered at $1.99. Sorelli. This is a Skills NHL All-Star Skills Challenge Relic Blends, numbered out of 125. Raquel. All black in the 2018s. All-Star Skills Fabrics, Carlson. Brent Burns. This is a banner year Stanley Cup final, Marchessault. These cards here are pretty cool. They're Locker Essentials jersey cards. This one here is Andrew Ladd. Got the number and his name up there, and then the jersey over here. They're pretty nice looking cards. Got a few of those ones. Here's another one. It's Ryan Suter. Some more All-Star Skills Fabrics. McKinnon. Stamkos. Tavares. Another banner year. This is All-Star banner year. Drew Doughty. Pretty nice looking card. And the same, but this one is McKinnon. Next is a Rookie Relic Blends, numbered at a 125. This is Brett Howden, all red. Next is the same, numbered at a 125. This is Jordan Greenway, all green on that one, dark green. Another Locker Essentials jersey. Two colored this one, Corey Crawford. Nice looking card. Next we got some blue base autos. Hurdle. DeBrusk. It's got Bruins written on there too. VC. Bobby Ryan. Next there's some nice looking cards here. These are called frameworks. They're jerseys behind. They have their jerseys there, and then the jersey behind is all white. That's all a real jersey there. Those are pretty cool looking. That's Rene. And I also got one more of those, which is Backstrom from the Capitals. Those are pretty cool looking cards. A blue rookie auto of Cholowski. Gold jersey numbered at a 499. This is a rookie. Brady Tkachuk. Nice red. Couple more All-Star Skills fabrics. Sidney Crosby. And Connor McDavid. Now this is a gold base jersey patch. I put it in a crappy case, but this one is numbered at a 25. It's a pure black patch of Van Riemsdyk. Pretty hard to get. Next, got some draft day marks, which are letters from their name with their auto on it. They're all numbered at a 35. This is Gambrel from San Jose. And this one is Rasmussen. And Gaudette. Next is another gold patch. This one's only numbered at a 10 and has a really nice patch on it as well. Couturier. Nice looking one there. This one is a red Spectrum auto patch, numbered at a 15, of Schwartz. 3-colored. And the auto there is in some silver ink. Now some of the really big hits, some of those were pretty big hits as well, but these are getting even bigger. This one is a rookie green Storm 1 of 1 of N. I think that's how you say it. From Detroit. I'll let you see the name there. And there's a 1 of 1. Those are really hard hits. It's probably worth quite a bit, but I like some of these other ones a lot too, so I put it these ones after. This is a base card, which a base is really hard to get because they're numbered out of their jersey numbers. This was the only base card I got. Vasilevsky, numbered out of 88. Might be hard to pick up, but numbered out of 88. This is a really nice card. It's a Stadium Series Materials Net Cord card, numbered at 35. TJ Oshie. These cards are really thick. I had to get a sleeve for it. I could only find a case that would fit it. So it's a really nice one. 2 more to go. This is a draft day marks of a really good rookie. This is Heiskanen, numbered at a 35 like they all are. Really nice card. And the final one is an auto that I was shocked to get. Some of the other ones are probably worth more book value wise, but anytime I get an auto of this guy, it's going to be the last one I show. So this is a blue base auto of Bobby Orr. Really nice card. So that was the case. It was really fun to open. So you can see all the nice cards you get in them. I'll probably pick up some more eventually. I like SP Game News a lot. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody.